Here we will see hierarchical inheritance in Python. Hierarchical inheritance is a type of inheritance where you can inherit more than one class from the base or parent class. Here one base class is inherited by multiple derived classes. Each derived class will work independently, but objects share the class variables across different classes. The hierarchical inheritance is useful in implementing class relationships where more than one class has an is-a relationship with a single parent class. Here class A is a parent class and class B and class C are derived class. General syntax for defining hierarchical inheritance is: first, base class is defined with class base, then body of base class, then class derived 1 which inherits base class, and then body of derived 1 class and class derived 2 which also inherits base class, and then body of derived 2 class. Here we will write a Python program to explain hierarchical inheritance. So first we will open the IDE, then we will add new file, and in command line we will write program to explain hierarchical inheritance. Here first we will define class A, in which we will define method display, and here we will print the message inside base class A. Then we will define class B which inherits A. Here we will define another method display1. Here first we will call the base class method display using super keyword. So super.display, and then we will print the message inside first derived class P. Then we will define class C which also inherits A. Here we will define method display2, and here we will call the method display from the base class A using super keyword, and we will print the message inside second derived class C. Then we will create object of our class B, and we will call the method display1 from that class. Then we will create object of our class C, and we will call the method display2 from that class. Then we will save it and we will execute it. It will display the message inside base class A, then inside first derived class B, and again inside base class A and inside second derived class C. Here first we have defined the class A, then class B which inherits class A, and inside class B we have called the method display from the base class A. So it will display the message inside base class A and then first derived class B. And then we have defined class C which also inherits A, and inside class C methods display2 we have called the method display from the base class A. So it will display the message inside base class A and then inside second derived class C.